Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video and tuning in today. So I want to share with you 6 deals that you can do at CVS this week and a bonus deal. We do have 2 freebies that you can grab this week. Well, actually one, the other one is 49 cents. But lots of good stuff. I didn't put together a lot of deal because my strategy for couponing is to save money. So as I'm putting down these deals and I realize the out of pocket is very high, so I was like, that's not a good deal to share. But again, you can always go through the ad and see what deals you want to do, what works for you and your family, and what you need. Most of all, that's what's important. And stay tuned. At the end, I'm going to show you how you can save a little bit more out of pocket. So just some announcements, just like I shared for the last couple of weeks. I'm still doing classes for beginners. That's going to be on Monday, on the 31st of January. So here's a few things that's going to be covered. So how to get started with couponing, how to get coupons and read the coupons, how to match up your coupons, so stacking your coupons, how to maximize your savings, and some time for Q&A. So this class is going to be via Zoom. It's going to be on Monday. So if you're not able to attend, the replay will be available to you. I'm going to be providing you with 2 to 3 worksheets that you can actually do to help you with your couponing journey. So hopefully that's something that you guys are interested in, and you can sign in. The link will be in the description box below, or you can just go to the website at savetoserve.com. And with that said, if you guys have not subscribed, go ahead and take a moment to do so and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you guys. My goal this year is to make it at least to 5,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, go ahead and do that, and then you'll get some notifications as well. All right, so coupon inserts that we're getting on the 30th, they're going to be, we're getting one Smart Source, one Save, and our P&G coupon. And one of the things I want you guys to also keep in mind of is those P&G coupons are going down. So our Tides are normally $3. Tide in here is $2. So there was an article that came out about items going up, the P&G items. So if you have not really dig into couponing, now is the time. All right, so here's the first deal that I have for you guys. They're going to be in the halls. And if you need this in the cold weather, I'm in Florida and it is extremely cold. And you have the sniffles. So here's some a good deal that you can do on hauls. It's not the greatest, but I'm keeping my eye out for rebates that you can actually get. Sometimes they do pop up. I did check out 51. There was no rebates. They typically have those, or swag bucks. But you can buy the hauls too for $4. We do have a coupon that came out on the Smart Source on the 23rd for $1.25 off of 2. So that'll leave you to pay $2.75. You get $1 back in extra bucks, making your final cost $1.75 or 87 cents each. Again, it's not $1, but also you're not paying $2.18 for it. All right, so we have quite a few hair care deals, which I'm really excited about for this week. So the first one is the Tresemme. So Tresemme is going to be on sale for 2 for 10. You'll pay $10. And on the Unilever that came out on the 23rd, we do have a 4 off of 2. If you have this 3 off of 10 CRT, you can throw that in. That'll leave you to pay $3. You get back $2 in extra bucks, leaving your final cost to be $1 or 50 cents each. This is a limit of 1. So I put glitch here because, as you can see in the picture, we are expecting to get a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So let's say the digital coupon does glitch, the 3 off of 2, that means you'll pay 0 out of pocket, get $2 back, and that will be a freebie for you. Now, if you don't have that 3 off of 10 Tresemme, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how you can put this in another CRT deal and you can save a little bit more. So if you don't have the 3 off of 10, I believe you'll be paying just $3 more. The next deal I have for you is going to be on the Garnier Whole Blends. Now we do have some printable coupons. I don't believe they are for this product because they say treatment. So, but check the website and see if you can get those printables now. And if it's for something that you can use for the upcoming week, you can also find the link in the description box below for you to print those out. And if you print through Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, I think My Points as well, you can definitely get money back from printing your coupons. So always try to see if you can print through that way. So you can buy 2 Garnier whole blends. They are 2 for $7. That total will come to $7. We are expecting to get a 2 off of 2 instant coupon from the Redbox machine, or you can send it through your app. That'll leave you to pay $5. We'll get back $3 in extra bucks. That will make your final cost $2 or $1 each, which is a good price to stock up on hair care products. The next hair care deal is going to be on Select Fructis Hair Care, which is also Garnier. You can buy 2 of those. When I checked the website, they were saying they're $4.19 each. They're typically on sale 2 for $7. But it just says buy 2, so I'm not thinking that they're not on the 2 for $7 deal. But 2 of them at $4.19 at my price when I checked online would be $8.38. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital. If you have not used it, go ahead and throw that in. You'll pay $5.38, get back a $2 extra buck, making your final cost $3.38 or $1.69 each. Now, here's a way that you can make this hair care deal really good and get them for less than $1 a bottle. So throw everything that I just went over. Buy 2 of the whole blends, 2 of the fructis, 2 of the Tresemme. Your total for everything would come out to $25.38. Now, if you have a 4 of 25 CRT, a 5 of 25, or a 4 of 18, you want to throw that in. That's what I'm using, a 4 of 18 CRT. So then $25.38, we're going to use the instant coupon for the whole blends, the 4 off of 2 for the Tresemme, the 3 off of 2 digital for the fructis, and that 4 of 18 CRT. That'll leave you to pay $12.38. Still high, but you're getting back $3 in extra bucks for the whole blends, $2 in extra bucks for the fructis, $2 in extra bucks for the Tresemme. So that'll make your final cost $5.38 for 6 products, or just 89 cents each, which is a great price for hair care to stock up. It is less than $1. All right, so here's our freebie. It's going to be on the Sure the Brit deodorant. I have not seen that Brit deodorant anywhere in the CVS's I've went to, so I'm going to go with the Sure. You can buy that one. Is $2. So you'll pay the $2 and then you'll get back $2 in extra bucks. That'll make your cost free. So if you have $2 in extra bucks, just go ahead and throw that in there. All right, so before we used to get this deal completely free, but now it's not free. So you can buy 2 Colgate. They're $7.98. We are expecting a generous $7 coupon off of 2. You will pay 98 cents. We're not expecting no extra bucks back. That will make your final cost 98 cents or 49 cents each. Now, if there are any other Colgate deals that you want to do, I would say this would be a perfect item to throw into a 2 off of 5 Colgate, or a 5 of 25 Colgate CRT to even get a bigger savings as well, because those products will qualify for that. Now, if you're just getting started, you're really saying, I don't want to spend so much money, but how can I really just get started? Like I said last week, this video is not sponsored by Fluz or anything like that, but I was able to get some vouchers myself, so I want to share that with you guys. So you can earn 35% voucher cash back from Fluz. And all of this information is on their Facebook page. So this promotion is going from January 14th to February 14th. So if you have not done this, you have 2 weeks still to sign up for this promotion, just about 3 weeks rather, to sign up for this promotion. So basically, you'll just go to their Facebook page and you'll just follow the prompts that they're asking you to follow. So it's you have to just like and share the post, share it with your favorite store, what your favorite store is, and your username so that they're able to place those vouchers into your account, and then just tag a friend. So you'll get 3 vouchers for participating in this campaign that they have going. So if you guys like to sign up for Fluz and you have not signed up yet, my code is going to be in the description box below, where you can actually just go ahead and sign up for Fluz. And then just for signing up, you'll get 3 vouchers for signing in under my code because I'm referring you. And you can head over to Facebook and do this campaign and get an additional 35% voucher. So that's money that you'll be saving right there. So if you buy a $10 Fluz gift card, you're getting at least $3.50 back, plus whatever that they're offering for CVS. So I feel like their CVS ones are always high because I feel like a lot of couponer uses the CVS Fluz to buy CVS gift cards and to pay and to just lower their out of pocket. So this would be a great options for you. This is all that I had for you guys today. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and help me reach that goal. And probably at the beginning of the week, well, at the end of next week, I will bring you another financial freedom video just to help you get on track with your spending and savings and paying off debt. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.